Conrad Kurz, known as the Night Haunter, was the primarch of the Night Lord's Legion. Raised alone on the corrupt, crime-ridden world of Nostromo, he enforced brutal order using fear, torture, and execution. When the Emperor found him, Kurz didn't bow down, he just accepted the task with grim determination, having foreseen both the arrival of his father and the darkness ahead. And so, he was reunited with his legion. During the Great Crusade, Kurz increasingly clashed with his brothers. He maimed Rogal Dorn during a dispute, prompting Clement Rus to nearly kill him in retaliation. These events pushed Kurz deeper into isolation and mental instability. His visions of the future, full of betrayal and decay, convinced him the Imperium was already corrupt and doomed, and his belief only got enforced once news reached the Legion that Nostromo, his homeworld, had rebelled, an act brutally punished by the Night Haunter. When Horus rebelled, Kurz sided with the traitors, not out of loyalty to Horus, but because he saw the heresy as a necessary purge. His sons waged a brutal campaign of terror, committing massacres across the stars. He despised both Horus' ambitions and the Emperor's hypocrisy, operating more as a rogue force than a true servant of Chaos. Unlike many other traitor primarchs, Kurz never gave himself to Chaos. He saw himself as an instrument of justice, not a servant of evil. His legion fragmented into terror cells, losing any sense of unity. Kurz's psychological unraveling continued as he left trails of destruction across loyalist worlds, believing every atrocity proved the Imperium's moral failure. After the war, Kurz fled into the shadows. Hunted by assassins and hunted by guilt and prophecy, he eventually waited on Tsagusa, where he allowed an Imperial Khalid's assassin named M. Shen to kill him, convinced that his death was preordained, because if he could have avoided it, then all the atrocities he'd committed during his lifetime wouldn't be justified. And so, Conrad Kurz died, convinced he was right all along, a necessary monster punishing a corrupt Imperium.